fishing. Today, Kingsbridge Estuary. Not really where I'm fishing, but it's where I park my van up for a camp. It's centralish, sort of the locations that we want to be doing in Devon, which is probably Salcombe Bay, Hall Sands, and wherever else the weather takes us, really, because obviously in this game we're pretty dependent on the weather. Anyway, stay tuned. I hope you enjoy. So there's the end of the estuary at Kingsbridge, full of mullet, which were teasing us last night. I'm trying to catch one on the fly rod. Oh!
Oh, watch that guy behind you. Smash up the locals.
Smash up the locals. There we go. Getting you on film.
Hello.
Oh, don't get better than this, does it? What else can you do? Beautiful scenery. Best mates, Julian and Danny. And we're launching to go and catch some pollock, some wrasse. Lure fishing today. And absolutely magical. Beautiful little ballan. That's the blank out of the way. And we're in. GoPro, start recording. Pollock. I want a pollock. Be a pollock. It's a pollock. One species off the slam that I had caught. That's not a bad fish. She's coming home. What's it, shabby? It's got to be 50 centimetres. Yeah. Nice little ballan. That's a better wrasse. I thought that was a wrasse. That's a chunk. Well, that for a bruiser. That's a ballan. Oh, it's a cuckoo. They're stunning, aren't they?
Yeah, pretty.
Look at that. What a beaut. It's been a bit difficult. I've just been trying to fish with those interline rods and not really feeling the bottom, not getting on with it. So just got the spinning rod out and straight away into a fish. Just the subtle changes, I guess. I think it's a pollock. Oh no, to be honest, I'm even more excited about this for once because it's a whiting. Oh, and it got off. I needed that. Ah, that was a big one. Never has a man been so gutted about losing a pout white. Oh, it's a monster. It would have been great for the comp, but there you go. It's fishing. It's got to be a pollock. That was high up in the water, and that slammed it. Slam dunk. Woohoo! That was a proper. You missed the beginning of that. That was mental. So I just lost that whiting, which I needed for the species hunt because it was a good size, and a bit gutted. But I've got something hopefully a bit better now. Dan will be pleased for that. One for the table. Oh, it's been a bit difficult coming, these have. Today, I've lost all my favourite lures. Just caught a few wrasse. Not really done a lot of filming. But at last we have a respectable fish. Not too shabby. Oh. So, tide slack, we're going to move, and then we take a long drift back. Works out. Tell you what, it's a lovely day. Really enjoying this. It's you don't get days like this. They're just so beautiful. It's absolutely stunning. And I think everybody's caught fish. But yeah, it's been really good. No, that's a pollock. There you go. Our little pollock. Another bass, little schoolie. Little schoolies.
Are they?
Yeah.
I see shitloads of stuff on the sounder. Oh yeah, that's why they're not. Yeah, well done.
Third little bass on the trot. Definitely down there. Pretty little fish. Best to finish the day off. A little bit. No monster.